I bet if I were to take a peek into your closet now, 99.9% I will be able to pick out either a black or a white outfit. I've also had people telling me they have nothing else in their wardrobe except black and white. It is understandable as these two colours are easy to wear as it goes with any colour. It is also a foolproof way to look professional, sleek and put together for work. But black and white can be boring, and if worn wrongly, you may end up looking bigger. Think Panda Bear. You get the picture. So here's one rule you need to abide by when wearing black and white. Follow Pareto's principle. 80% one colour, 20% another. Alternatively, you can keep your black and white in an uneven percentage of 70-30, 60-40. Remember, never cut your body into 50-50. Happy styling!